So I think what I want to do is an aged type bronze finish that you see me frequently do on the moon, the tree, and the ground, and then leave the rest black. But I do want to do a subdued finish. So using a cap full of my antique bronze made by Pearl X Pigments. Here's what the bottle looks like. Right there. So made by Pearl X Pigments. This is antique bronze. I'm going to apply this mostly with my finger. So I dip my finger in the bronze. And I know many of you have seen me do this before, but there's always new people watching, so we want to cover it for everyone. And I swirl it on my finger with my thumb just to kind of subdue it a little bit. And then put it on the tree. Put it on the moon. Pick this up a little bit so I can see it a little bit better. And then get a little bit more and put it on the ground. And it's just a nice quiet piece. That's kind of the atmosphere it gives you, right? Just a nice mellow, relaxed piece.